Are you in need of a reliable and versatile power source that can keep your essential appliances running during power outages or outdoor adventures? Look no further. In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 dual-fuel portable generators that offer the ultimate power solution. And I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Westinghouse Dual-Fuel Portable Generator. This dual-fuel generator is a reliable and powerful solution for all your portable power needs. This versatile generator offers the convenience of using both gasoline and propane as fuel sources, giving you flexibility and extended runtime options. With a whopping 9,500 peak watts and 7,500 running watts, the WGEN 9500DF can easily power essential appliances, tools, and even large RVs or trailers. Its robust 457cc Westinghouse OHV engine ensures reliable performance, while the electric start feature provides effortless and quick operation. Pros: dual fuel capability, gasoline and propane, for extended runtime and fuel options. Powerful 9,500 peak watts and 7,500 running watts to handle heavy loads. Reliable performance with a 457cc Westinghouse OHV engine. Electric start for effortless operation. User-friendly control panel with intuitive indicators and convenient outlets. Cons: the generator may be heavy and bulky, making it less portable compared to smaller models. Number 2. Champion Dual Fuel Ultralight Portable Generator. This dual-fuel ultralight portable generator is a compact and lightweight option that doesn't compromise on power. Designed with portability in mind, this generator is perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or any outdoor activity where electricity is needed. With 3,400 peak watts and 3,100 running watts, it powers essential appliances and devices. It features dual fuel capability, allowing you to choose between gasoline and propane to suit your needs. The generator runs quietly, ensuring a peaceful outdoor experience. Pros: compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Dual fuel capability for versatility in fuel choices. Quiet operation for a peaceful outdoor experience. Built-in handle for convenient carrying and transportation. Space-saving stackable design for easy storage. Cons: the power output may be limited for running larger appliances simultaneously. Number 3. Duramax Dual Fuel Portable Generator. The Duramax Dual Fuel Portable Generator is a robust and high-powered option that delivers exceptional performance. With an impressive 13,000 peak watts and 10,500 running watts, this generator can handle heavy-duty power needs with ease. It features a dual fuel system, allowing you to choose between gasoline and propane as fuel sources. This provides flexibility in terms of runtime and fuel availability. The reliable and efficient 500cc Duramax engine ensures consistent power output. The electric start makes it easy to get the generator up and running quickly. Pros: powerful 13,000 peak watts and 10,500 running watts for heavy-duty power needs. Dual fuel system for flexibility in fuel choices and extended runtime. Comprehensive panel design with multiple outlets for versatile power options. Reliable and efficient 500cc Duramax engine. Electric start for convenient and quick operation. Cons: the generator may be noisy during operation, especially at higher loads. Number 4. Champion 7500-watt dual-fuel portable generator. This dual-fuel portable generator is a robust and reliable solution for your portable power needs. With 7,500 peak watts and 6,000 running watts, this generator can provide ample power to keep your essentials running during power outages or outdoor activities. It features dual fuel capability, allowing you to switch between gasoline and propane based on your preference or availability. This generator offers versatility and extended runtime options. The reliable 439cc Champion engine ensures consistent performance. Pros: robust 7,500 peak watts and 6,000 running watts for reliable power output. Dual fuel capability for versatility in fuel choices and extended runtime. User-friendly control panel with intuitive indicators. Convenient outlets for flexibility in powering appliances and equipment. Reliable 439cc Champion engine. Cons: the generator may consume fuel quickly at higher power loads. Number 5. Maxspeed 3500W Dual Fuel Inverter Generator. This generator is a compact and lightweight option that offers reliable power in a portable package. With 2,200 peak watts and 1,800 running watts, this generator is perfect for camping, tailgating, or any situation where you need electricity on the go. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power output, making it safe for sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. The generator operates quietly, providing a peaceful and enjoyable outdoor experience. It also features an eco mode that adjusts the engine speed to optimize fuel efficiency. Pros: compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Clean and stable power output with inverter technology. Quiet operation for a peaceful outdoor experience. Eco mode for improved fuel efficiency. The parallel capability for increased power output. Cons: the power output may be limited for running larger appliances or equipment simultaneously. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?